Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Today we are going to see acute angle. What is mean by acute angle? This is the right angle triangle. The angle between 0 degree to 90 degree is called as acute angle. Here A is the acute angle. A angle is less than 90 degree and this angle is greater than 0 degree. So it is the acute angle. Which of the angles below are the acute angles? First one is 8 degree, which is acute angle, means greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. Second one is 19 degree, which is also acute angle. The 90 degree, it is not less than 90 degree, so it is not an acute angle. Next one is 87 degree, it is less than 90 degree, so also it is acute angle. Next term is acute triangle. It is also known as acute angled triangle. Here it is a triangle in which all the angles are 60 degree. That is equilateral triangle. The triangle in which all the angles are less than 90 degree are called as acute angle triangle, means acute triangle. In the next example, here one angle is 100 degree, this angle is 35 degree, and this angle is 45 degree. So in this, two angles are less than 90 degree, but this one is greater than 90 degree, so it is not acute triangle. Consider the next term, adjacent angles. What is mean by adjacent angles? Here it is right angle in which we have a line here. So this right angle is divided into two angles. So adjacent angle with a common point, that is vertex, and a common line, that angles are called adjacent angles. In this A angle and this B angle, these both are adjacent angles. These are having a common line and a common vertex. In this diagram, there are some angles A, B, C and D. Here, angle A and angle C are both the adjacent angles to the angle B. Angle D and angle B, these both are not adjacent angles because these are not containing a common line and common vertex is common but line is not common. Here A and B, it is containing a common line and a common vertex, so A and B both are adjacent angles. And also this line containing common angle, this is line common to the angle B and C, so B and C are also adjacent angles. The next term is alternate angles. Consider two parallel lines. And the line which is intersecting two parallel lines. So there are two angles, angle A and here is the angle B. So these two angles are called as alternate angles, means the line intersecting two parallel lines and there is a formation of two angles. These are called as the opposite two angles, these are called as alternate angles. The angles on opposite sides of a straight line that intersects two parallel lines are called as alternate angles. The alternate angles are always equal in size. Means A angle is equal to the B angle. For example, there are two parallel lines and one line intersecting to that both, and there is a formation of two opposite angles. The one angle, suppose it is 45 degree, then what will be the angle Y? So both angles are equal. So if this angle is 45 degree, so this angle is also 45 degree. Will you calculate these two angles, x degree and this is y, if this angle is 100 degree? Give me your answer in comments.